Bibingka's channel! Hello guys! So now I will help my mom bake Royal Bibingka. So these are the ingredients.
You need 1 1/2 cup of rice, glutinous flour, 1/2 cup of all-purpose flour, 1/4 cup of condensed milk, 1/2 cup of white sugar, 2 tablespoons of melted butter or margarine, then 1/2 cup of evaporated milk, fresh milk or coconut milk, kung ano po yung like nyo. And then 1/2 cup of water, 2 tablespoons of baking powder, 2 small eggs, vanilla, and salt, a pinch of salt. Okay, let's start. Let's start with the wet ingredients. So now, get the milk, the fresh milk. Put it here. Careful.
So careful.
And then the butter.
So this one, so where I'm gonna put it.
Put it. And then the eggs.
So the eggs, this where the eggs. So let's put
Okay.
all the eggs.
And then the milk.
Milk. So that's
And
the
the
milk.
milk. This one.
Hold that one.
Careful.
So be careful. Be careful for it.
Okay, and then
Just
mix
something.
it.
There.
Get it all. Get it all.
There.
Okay.
So now we're gonna mix it.
Mix it well.
Yeah, mix. Mix the eggs.
Yeah, like mix it well.
The eggs.
Put the water also. Careful.
Careful for the water.
Okay, put it. Okay, what about you? So now mix it well.
Yeah, we need to mix it well.
And then now, after we mix the wet ingredients, put na all the dry ingredients
It's okay
naman.
for everything.
Yeah, so this one first.
So
And
first we're gonna do this one.
the rice glutinous flour.
The rice glutinous
Yeah.
flour.
And then the all-purpose flour.
All-purpose flour. Oh,
Yeah.
so much.
And then the white sugar.
This one.
Yeah, white sugar.
So much.
The baking powder.
And the baking powder. This
Yeah,
one.
that one.
So put it all. So
And
now
then
we're gonna
mix
mix it. Oh, too much.
Gonna mix that.
Yeah, so much. That's why. All the white
Hold it.
things keep up. How about that one?
And then, while minimix nyo po, i-preheat nyo na po yung oven nyo in 170 degrees Celsius. And lulutuin po natin siya ng for 20 to 25 minutes. And then, optional din po, pwede nyo po siya lagyan ng toppings na grated cheese at saka po salted eggs.
Salted eggs.
Mix it.
Mix, mix, mix. So now
Here's
we're
the
gonna
salt.
put salt.
Give me your pinch lang. Okay. Show them. Okay.
So like
Put it na on.
Oh.
Put it on.
So like this.
We're gonna wash your hands first, of course.
Yeah, we're gonna wash our hands.
And then, so tansya ko na lang yung vanilla.
Some
Kunti
vanilla.
lang na vanilla.
Only a little vanilla.
Just the vanilla.
Yeah, vanilla.
Okay.
Ooh, a little. Oh, the vanilla's
Mix it
lost
well.
already. So mix it well. And now we're gonna pour this into the pan. But before we pour it into the pan, we need to brush it with melted butter.
So now, yeah, you can pour it na.
So now
Okay, so we have here.
my mom will help me.
Huwag siya masyadong actually, i-pull kasi.
There. There. Okay. So now we're gonna put some grated cheese. So I'm gonna pour some
All over it.
all of it. There. Ooh, too
One by one.
much. One by one. There, and then here. Now,
The sides.
there we go. Ooh, there's still nothing there. So let's get one by one. There you go. There. So some more there, right? But so put some more in the pan.
Okay. Then later after na mabig, pwede rin siyang ipot. And then optional din po ito. Ito ang salted egg. Pero like namin yan. Sige, put it na.
Okay, it's
Put
okay
it the
now.
salted egg.
Salted
One by
egg.
one.
Here pa.
Yeah, do it. Whatever you like.
1, 2, and then here.
Ate, wash your hand po ha.
Yeah, po. I'm gonna wash
And,
my hand
yeah.
after this.
Before and after you do
Yeah,
that, of course.
before and after. Also when after you eat.
Yeah, and before you eat.
Yeah, before.
Do it faster.
Yips. Then maybe
Yeah, just like
here. And here. And then here. Here. Some more. And then some more. And then here. And then last one maybe.
okay.
here.
And now, yeah.
So now we're gonna put
can
it in
bake
the
it now.
oven. So guys, now we already finished baking our Royal Bibingka. So now we're gonna taste test it na. Are you ready guys? So I'm gonna cut it. So now we're gonna taste it. Mmm. Yum. Very yummy. It's like bread. Yummy ba siya? I like it, guys. So thank you guys. So this is how to bake Royal Bibingka. So goodbye guys. Thank you for watching our video. Please subscribe, like, and bell.